This video will show you how to link your Roblox account to your PlayStation.
So installing your Roblox from your PlayStation is pretty simple. You should install the Roblox app from your PlayStation on your PS4 or PS5. Either way works the same. Launch Roblox on your PlayStation and choose Quick Login. A QR code and 6-character code will appear on your screen. Open your Roblox app or website on mobile or PC and go to Quick Login or scan the QR, then enter the 6-letter code from your PlayStation screen. Once you enter the code, your Roblox account is linked and you're ready to play. If it says that it is already linked to another PlayStation, you need to unlink it via Roblox settings, security, then disconnect PlayStation. You should wait up to 90 days to relink if you switch to a different PlayStation account, and that's a console restriction. And that's it. Roblox now works to your PlayStation, either you are in your PS4 or PS5, and yes, that's all.